Let's understand some terms in tree. So here I have one tree. So in this tree I am putting some data 3, 4 and 5. So the 1 is stored in one node. So this is called node. And one node is connected to another node with the help of edge. So this is called edge. If a parent node have two child, here one have two child, 2 and 3. So the 2 and 3 is the siblings. So this is called siblings. Then if node doesn't have any child node, then that is called leaf node. So here the leaf node is 3, 4 and 5. So 3 is leaf node and 5 is leaf node and 4 is leaf node. Now let's understand levels in tree. So in a tree, here I separate into three parts. One is this line and second one is this line. The first root node is on level 1 and the siblings 2 and 3 is level 2 and 4 and 5 is on level 3. Now what is the left subtree and right subtree? So here root node is 1. So for root node 1, the left subtree is 2, 4 and 5 and right subtree is only 3. In this graph, the left subtree is this 4 element and right subtree is this 1 element. Which tree have at max 2 node as a child element? That tree is called binary tree. So here root node have a 2 child element, this one and this one. So this is left child node and this one is right child node. And the right child node doesn't have any child element, but left child have 2 element, left and right. So this is a binary tree. So here is second example. The one root node have 2 child element and left child node have 2 child element. The one is left and right. Right have another child element. So in right. So this is also binary tree. That means each and every node should have only 0 or 1 or 2, maximum 2 child node. That is called binary tree.